Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka hua ʻōlelo o kēia la o ia hoʻi o ka makuakāne. Makuakāne. Try and say that one. Makuakāne, mai kai. Now makuakāne means father, your parent. In olden days, anybody in your parents' generation, your father, his brothers, your uncles, they're all your makuakāne. Let's try and use that in a sentence. Owai kou makuakāne. Owai kou makuakāne means who is your father. It's very common here in Hawaii when introducing people or when you're first meeting people to ask who your father is. Let's try it. Owai kou makuakāne. Who is your father? Mai kai. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. Aloha.